the lecturers are on strike. The lecturers are on strike precisely because of three different issues arising from three different CBAs. The first issue was the CBA of 2021-2025, for which they went on strike last year, and we had a negotiation and a return-to-work formula. Under that return-to-work formula, in the year 2024-25, 4.3 billion was supposed to be paid to them to cover months to June 2025. That 4.3 billion was paid. The next amount that was to be paid was 2.73 billion for the financial year 25-26, and this was supposed to be paid in July 2025. That is the amount that delayed, and because of that delay, they issued a strike notice. 2 days into that notice, the 2.73 billion was paid. Under the 2021-25 CBA, the balance of 2.73 billion is to be paid in June 2026. So far as the CBA for 2021-2025 is concerned, the issues have been addressed. The second issue that they raised in order for them to issue that strike was on the CBA of 2017-2021. Under that CBA, they argue that there was an amount of 24 million. So there is a question of how much is outstanding between what the unions are asking for and what the government is saying is owed. So because of that, the teams went to court, and the court ordered that the strike be injected, and they go to a conciliator and have this amount verified, after which the settlement of it can be agreed on. So there is an order stopping the strike, which you can submit. The third issue that they raised is the issue of the CBA of 2025-2029. We had agreed that this CBA needs to be negotiated at the beginning of the cycle. The beginning of the cycle, of course, is 2025-2026. So we have from June to June 2025 to June 2026. That's the cycle of these negotiations. The negotiations begin, they are concluded, and then the CBA is signed for the cycle of 2025-2029. They were saying that this cycle has not begun, it has delayed. But they've been having meetings, they've had 2 meetings so far. So in essence, there hasn't been a delay. So the negotiations and discussions are going on to see the real point of what the issue is.